Mweri umwe thitho MCA wa Kino Kimani Wanjiku kwendekithia riboti nginyaniru igie uria kigina kia mathako ma Kiambu Super Cup kiahuthikire. Muikarigiti wa kamiti ya mathako George Boroni atengamanirie riboti ino akierethera uria kigina giki kiahuthikire. Nona thutha wake gutengemania riboti ino MCA wa Kino Kimani wa Wanjiku niekirire nganja mathabu maya kiuga matiratorana na kigina kiria kiaheanitwo budget-ini ya kaunti ino ndurio nyitirwo mbaru ni arunake.
The total is coming to 7,738,500. Why is it exceeding what we had given under the budgetary allocation, which was 5.538,500?
Mamwe ma maundu maria mekirirwo nganja riboti-ini ino ni kigina kiria kirerikana ni kiahanirwo kuri ma MCA hindi ya mathako maya. Indi MCA makorwo makiuga gutirwo no umwe wao uri wamukira kigina giki na magikuira kiga gukorwo kiungumanitio.
That money was sent to the 60 wards as I understand, and this is not official because it is not in this response.
I, being one of the MCAs in Kiambu County, have not received a penny, Mr. Speaker. I'm the one who has given towards this. Then here I see there was an allocation for me.
Ni maugite hindira mathako maya maruguririo meri 3 mihituku. Riboti ni onanitie ati ni mahuthirire kigina gia gukombora kiharo kiria mathako maya maruguragirio no makuga mathako maya maruguririo kiharo-ini gia kaunti no na koguo gutibatie gukorwo kwina kigina kiahuthikire.
I would like them to be clear if the governor charged us for the stadium, because I can see it's one of the items that is budgeted for under the 1.915,500 shillings.
Gukirio guo thutha wa muikarigiti wa kamiti no kuria mugucokia ciuria iria cikwiyumiragia iguru ria riboti ino. Speaker wa kaunti ino Stephen Disho ni athanire minister wa mathako Karungo Thang'wa gwikinya mbere ya kamiti ino kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 niguo gucokia ciuria ciigie uhuthiri wa kigina giki.
Be ordered to appear before the committee of youth, sports and social services within a period of 7 days.
Exposure and recruitment.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, itagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.